Let's build on the assignment we had and the lecture we just gave earlier, and let's build on that so that we have an understanding of those terms. So we want to do a couple of exercises that I'm sure you will enjoy, and I'm sure you will get an A, because we classify artworks, particularly paintings, into three classifications: representational, abstract, and non-objective. Now, what I want you to do as you look at the 20 paintings and artworks that I'm about to present to you, I want you to number them 1 to 20. And I want you to give me the assignment, send it in on our network, and we'll discuss yours. But I don't see any reason why everyone doesn't get this one in absolute accuracy. So in a written assignment or one-word response, as I show you the slides, I want you, and they're numbered, I want you to give me their classification, one of the three. On a couple of occasions, you might even interpret it in two ways. Some appear to be abstract, realistic. So if you put both down, I'm not going to mark it as being wrong. But I want you to show me your demonstration of how you have a complete grasp and can discuss the difference between abstract, non-objective, and representational. I'm going to give this on each of these about a few seconds, maybe the most 30 seconds, but you should be able to give me the response. If you don't get it exactly right, just repeat the exercise and play it over again. Here's number 1. Vincent van Gogh. The name of the painting is The Starry Night. What is this classification? Number 3, how do you classify this work by Hans Hofmann? This is an easy one, and it was done by a group of artists that we'll study later on called the Super Realists. Remember, a representational object which has been distorted, rearranged, or simplified. What classification is that? This is a work by an artist by the name of Osho Gorky. Classified. Number 8. Number 9. This is a collage by a famous African-American artist by the name of Romare Bearden. Collage is a collection of work or pieces of paper pulled together into a composition. Collage, C-O-L-L-A-G-E. Here are those super realists again, number 10. Just write down the classification. Van Gogh's work. classification. This is what we will study later on and known as an impressionistic work. But how do you classify it? Number 13. Number 14. By an artist by the name of Georgia O'Keeffe, famous for her gigantic flowers. This is a self-portrait of Pablo Picasso in the early 20s. This is one that might be one of two or a combination. Louise Nevelson, who used to hammer objects together to make a composition. How do you classify this? What is its classification? Another Van Gogh, number 18. Number 19. Remember, distorted, rearranged, or simplified. Number 20. Without even thinking about it, we see this as a beautiful, one-of-a-kind classification. I want you to write these down and submit them as soon as you can.